Welcome to another CAAN tip, where we deliver fencing tips in under 120 seconds. Today, we're diving into fire-resistant fencing options that can protect your home in wildfire-prone areas. Let's get started. Not all fencing materials offer the same level of fire resistance. Let's explore the best options for keeping your property safe. Metal fences, like aluminum and steel, are highly fire-resistant. They won't ignite, making them one of the top choices for fire-prone regions. Plus, they're low maintenance and durable. Masonry or concrete block fences offer not just fire resistance, but also an extra layer of heat and flame protection. These fences create a solid barrier, protecting your home from flying embers. Composite fences, which combine wood fibers and plastic, are another great option. They're treated to be fire-resistant while offering the natural look of wood without the fire risk. Landscaping matters too. Keep vegetation away from your fence and use non-flammable materials around your property to create an extra buffer zone. So to recap, metal fences are highly durable and fire-resistant. Masonry fences create a solid heat barrier, and composite fences offer a safe, natural look. And remember, smart landscaping choices also play a role in fire prevention. Choosing the right fire-resistant fence can make a big difference in protecting your home. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more CAAN tips. Check out our playlist for more. Should you require professional help, you can contact us on this number or on our website. See you next time.